Hello friends, I am Srikanth, business head HITEX. I am happy today to be talking from the floor of trade expos of HIMTEX and IPEC. These two trade expos today are gaining significance in more than one way, especially when the country is coming out of the after effects of the pandemic. It was very much required for the manufacturing sector and the process sector to be self-reliant, and these two shows go towards improving the technologies and the requirements of manufacturing and process sectors. I am happy to say that we have received overwhelming response from the exhibitors. We have got more than 143 exhibitors from nearly 10 states, and we too have an international participation. The exhibitor profile has been extremely good, and we have seen over the last 2 days an extremely good footfalls from very important users and buyers from defense and airspace industry. We have seen people coming from companies like Safran Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, GMR Aerospace, Tata Sikorsky, Safran, DRDL, Kalyani, Rafael, etc. etc. I am extremely happy that these people could come to the show and take advantage of the quality exhibits that these two trade expos had, and I hope the purpose for the show has met with by getting together the exhibitors and the required buyers.